Hi Dan, hi Mark. I spoke with Dan briefly at lunch earlier and spoke with him about sending over this free little 5-minute video, which is basically a custom website audit of your current site. I compare it to one of your top competitors within the area, within your niche as well, and basically tell you what you can do to improve your site as it is, or you can also get some more information from me. So I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 free tips that you can incorporate. First one we are going to do is I go ahead and I Google HVAC companies within Addison, Texas. This right here, as you can see, it says ad. This is the ad section, and then this is the maps as well, which you are ranked on the maps, which is awesome. This right here begins the organic section, this is where the rankings begin. So Yelp is a directory site. It's great to be on there as well, but I'm looking for actual HVAC companies and their individual websites. So that being said, the first one that is ranked on Google is Maxhouse. So throughout this video, I'm going to be comparing your website to theirs. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up their website, and I am going to go ahead and count all of the words, which is the content. That's what we're going to refer to as content. So basically what content is any verbiage throughout your website, your homepage, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and grab what theirs is, and I'm going to put it into my word counter. Shows up as 1,275 words, which is actually a pretty good amount of content. Let me compare yours. For whatever reason, this is not letting me to grab it. So yours actually comes up as 1,943 words, which is great. Google actually suggests that you have your content within 1,000 to 2,000 words approximately, crammed with as many keywords as you possibly can, ranking keywords to bring in buyer intent customers. So I wouldn't touch your content unless there were specific keywords that we could incorporate that would generate more traffic. So that being said, that leads me to our next topic, which is keywords. Second thing I'm going to do is grab each of your sites and put it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is basically an online auditor. So I went ahead and I put in Maxhouse to Ahrefs, and as you can see, their traffic value is 3.2K. So this basically means this is free, apart from they pay the $804, but it generates 3.2K worth of traffic. So that's basically what their website is doing without paying for ads. That is the traffic that their website is generating from their search engine optimization, their keywords, their content, etc., as well as their backlinks. We'll get into backlinks in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up what their keywords are that are pulling in that traffic. And for example, you can see Mess Air Conditioning, Metro Express Service, Thermostat. So all of these that do not have locations attached are actually nationwide keywords. It's not exactly what we want to do unless you're a nationwide company. Because, for example, someone in Oregon could Google thermostat blinking cool on, and it's going to pull up this website. But is this company actually going to service someone in Oregon that night? Probably not. So you want to attach locations to all of these, which would be, I'm sure that they have some on here, but you could do Addison as well as all of the surrounding towns, neighborhoods, etc. And that's going to bring in Mansfield, Bedford. Those are all going to bring in buyer intent customers, which is what we want. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for your website, and let's take a look at your keywords. So extreme comfort, AC tune-up specials, AC service specials, air conditioning check. Again, these are all nationwide keywords. We do want to incorporate more buyer intent with locations attached, which there are some. AC repair, Plano, Texas, air conditioning repair, but there's so many more neighborhoods and surrounding towns that we can get. I also forgot to mention that Mess AC is number 1, and I believe that y'all are on the second page somewhere, possibly the third. Maybe you are on the second. I skipped it over. Okay, yes, you're like midway down the second page, which there's definitely room for improvement, and we can definitely catch that top spot. And I'll go ahead and show you how. So that leads us into the third tip that I'm going to give you, which is backlinks. So if we go back into that tool that I was showing you, so you can see that they have 3.6K backlinks on 361 referring domains. What that means is their website is linked 3.68K times on 361 websites throughout the internet. Now, quantity isn't always best as quality. Not all backlinks are created equal. If you get really strong sites, you can have a lower number and outrank your competitor. But considering that we are on the mid-second page and they have 3.68K, let's look at yours. So we're only about 1.1K. So we need to tenfold that. We don't just add all of their backlinks and make it an even playing field. We amplify it by 10 times, 20 times to completely blow them out of the water. So basically, I just wanted to give you a couple free tips, and I hope that you enjoyed these. You can incorporate them yourself with your current company, or you can reach back out to me for more information. I'll include my contact information in the email, and I look forward to speaking with y'all soon. Have a great day. Thanks.